Alright, so I want to talk about my computer build. So I have this, which is an EVGA 850BQ power supply. I had to get, now, before I continue, I have to get this cable, which I find it won't work, because the motherboard I'm going to be using has a 8 plus 4 pin connector for the CPU, but hard drive, I'm already ordered, is this, well, just a stock image. Hopefully it's the right one. Seagate Barracuda 2TB, 7200 RPM, mechanical drive for obvious reasons for storage. And the rest of that will be, don't create a list. There we go. Now on to the, oh yeah, this will be my future computer build. I need to see if there. I guess it doesn't really matter. But anyway, this is going to be the NVMe. I'm going to be running a Western Digital SN570, 1TB. I mean, $100, not a bad price. The case I'm going to be using is this Fractal Design Focus G mid tower full ATX support, which are going to be mounted the AIO on the front, because those are two 120mm fans. But I think that would be a good case. The motherboard I'll be using will be a Gigabyte Z590 Aros Elite AX. There's no graphics card, because sadly, until the graphics card prices goes down, I'm going to have to use my Gigabyte Aros OC WinForce GTX 1650, which will be a massive bottleneck. But picking this because triple M.2 if I want, PCIe 4.0, USB 3.2, has support of up to 128 gigs of RAM, which brings up with the RAM that I'm going to be choosing. Two 16 gig sticks for a total of 32 gigs of G.Skill Trident Z RGB DDR4 3200. Gonna get this now and get another 32 gigs later. Processor I'm gonna be using is gonna be Intel Core i7 11 Gen 11700 KF, which means no onboard graphics, and that's gonna be $319. 8 cores. It'll be a massive upgrade over my i7 7700, which I'll show right now. It'll be a massive upgrade. So originally I was going to use a Cooler Master AIO, but I decided, for an extra $20, get this EVGA CLC 240mm AIO. So it'll be nice, and it will be the first time I'll be messing with an AIO for a build. So take in consideration, most of the cost of the graphics card, which I got before the prices went sky high. If you add up these prices right now, 88.80 plus 72.38 plus 209.99 plus 152.90 plus